Good morning, everyone. Today I will present a case study using Hofstede's cultural dimensions theory to analyze cross-cultural management between Japanese managers and Thai employees. The purpose of this presentation is to explore the cultural differences that can create workplace challenges and discuss a practical solution through the JTOM adaptation model. First, I'd like to compare three cultural dimensions. For power distance, Thai employees tend to expect clear direction from supervisors, while Japanese organizations encourage coordination and involvement within the group. For collectivism, both cultures value harmony and teamwork, but they achieve consensus through different processes. For masculinity, Japan is highly focused on achievement and performance, whereas Thailand places greater emphasis on relationships, well-being, and work-life balance. These differences can sometimes lead to misunderstandings in the workplace. The next three dimensions reveal additional differences. Japan has a very high level of uncertainty avoidance, meaning there is a strong preference for rules, procedures, and detailed planning. Thailand is generally more flexible and adaptable when dealing with uncertainty. Regarding long-term orientation, Japanese prioritizes long-term stability and future successes, while Thailand often focuses on immediate needs and practical solutions. Finally, Japan emphasizes self-discipline and restraint, whereas Thailand tends to value enjoyment and a more relaxed lifestyle. One of the most significant sources of conflict in this case is uncertainty avoidance. Japanese managers often seek frequent meetings, detailed documentation, and strict procedures as necessary tools for ensuring quality and reducing risk. On the other hand, Thai employees may perceive excessive paperwork and reporting requirements as barriers that slow down productivity. Therefore, the main issue is not the amount of documentation itself, but the different cultural values behind it. These cultural dimensions interact to create organizational tension. First, high uncertainty avoidance encourages Japanese managers to implement strict systems and controls. Second, Thai employees often show strong respect for a hierarchy, making them less likely to challenge their supervisors directly. Third, both cultures value harmony and tend to avoid open confrontation. As a result, dissatisfactory may remain unspoken, creating what is known as a culturally induced silence. To address these challenges, the JTOM model proposes 5 likely steps. The first step is developing shared awareness of Japanese and Thai work cultures. The second step is identifying which tasks require strict control and allow flexibility. The third step combines Japanese consensus building with Thai operational agility. The fourth step simplifies documentation through digital tools and concise formats. The final step introduces anonymous feedback systems to encourage open communication. Although Hofstede's framework is widely used, it has both strengths and limitations. Its strengths include simplicity, practical business applications, and structured approach to understand cultural differences. However, it may oversimplify cultures by assuming that all individuals within a country behave similarly. In addition, it does not fully reflect globalization, multicultural identities, or organizational power dynamics that influence modern workplaces. In conclusion, effective cross-cultural management is not about forcing one culture to adapt completely to another. Instead, organizations should combine the strengths of both cultures. By integrating Japanese thoroughness and long-term planning with Thai flexibility and adaptability, organizations can create a more productive and harmonious work environment. Thank you for your attention. I'd be happy to answer any questions.